Hello again, beautiful people. I'm Phoenix, a consumer turned prosumer. Welcome to my channel where we share about the perks of being a prosumer. And today, it's all about acne care. Introducing Atomy Acne Clear Expert System. It wasn't easy for people with acne skin to look for skincare because usually they would have to look here and there and mix and match products to ensure that they get the results for their skin conditions. But good news for all of you out there, Atomy has figured it out for you by introducing this Acne Clear Expert System, a one-stop solution where you don't need to look anywhere else and everything is taken care of, specially tailor-made for you. Whiteheads, blackheads, papules, comedone, pustules, all of these are different types of acne. There are three things that causes acne: dead skin cells, excessive oil, and the P. acnes bacteria. What's so special about Atomy Acne Clear Expert System is that it solves your acne problem from the root. The prosumer would love this very much when I tell them because the entire line of the products are being clinically tested and they have passed the non-comedogenic test. The secret lies in the three patented raw materials that the Acne Clear Expert System uses. The first one being the potential extract AC, which prevents the activities of the P. acnes bacteria. The second one being the AC solution 10. Why 10? Because there are 10 types of mixed botanical ingredients that helps people with sensitive and dry skin, and the third one being the calming water complex. Instead of using the purified water, it contains three types of naturally derived ingredients from dandelion, calendula, and lotus extract. Just hearing the names, you know that it's calming, soothing, and moisturizing to the skin. How do we use this Acne Clear Expert System? We begin by using its foam cleanser. You just need to pump it out and you'll find that it's a dense and tangy kind of foam. And you can start cleansing away. What's so special about this foam cleanser is that it contains 1.8% of salicylic acid. In case you don't know, salicylic acid is one of acne's biggest enemies. It's oil soluble and it can penetrate deep into the pore and start dissolving the blackheads and the debris, and it helps to unclog the pores while cleansing them. And after cleansing it, you can rinse it off with water and you'll find that your skin doesn't feel dry or taut. After cleansing, we will be using toner. This is a powder toner, which is a mixture of liquid and powder. And before we use it, we will need to shake it so that the ingredients will blend well. And this is especially useful for people with oily skin to stay hydrated because it decreases oil and increases moisture. Decreased oil because the powder part of it would absorb excessive oil, while the liquid part of it would provide moisture to the skin. Prosumer tip number 1, do double toning. Please use Atomy mild cotton in this step because Atomy mild cotton doesn't contain harmful chemicals that would irritate our skin further. For the first round of toning, we would need to shake our toner and put a few drops onto the cotton pad and wipe away the excess dirt. And the second round of toning, we would apply a few drops of toner onto our palm and apply them onto our face. Next, we will be using the spot solution. We'll put a few drops onto the back of our hands and start using cotton bud and apply them onto spot areas only, meaning areas with acne only, and don't apply it onto the entire face, please. Prosumer tip number 2, mixed spot solution with toner. Just in case if you experience stinging when you apply spot solution by itself, you can mix it with toner before applying it. The final step to clear skin would be the use of serum. This serum is designed to soothe and repair our skin. It's just like a second skin where it prevents moisture from escaping while restoring our oil and water balance. By having oligopeptide, it stimulates collagen synthesis as well. Prosumer tip number 3, mix serum with spot solution. We can put a drop of spot solution and mix it with serum before using it for maximum benefit. Now we can have clear skin and say bye-bye to acne. If you would like to purchase this product, you can do so by registering as a member FOC and start making purchases on your own. And leave your comments below so that we can know what your feedback are. Please like this video, share it out so that more people can benefit from it, and remember to subscribe for more awesome prosumer videos. Signing off, this is Phoenix, the prosumer.